Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Mailbag. Today we are talking about Tenacious Tape. This is an old topic for Shimoda, but I was recently reminded of it from a customer who was curious about how they could repair a tear in their backpack. Now, before we get into that, let's just talk about the textile that we use, which is a nylon ripstop with a carbonate coating. The carbonate part of the textile is the outer coating, and that just adds a layer of abrasion resistance. And under that, we have nylon with a grid pattern ripstop. So we use a 7x7 grid pattern, and let me just explain how ripstop works if you're not clear. You can see the squares. Basically what happens is when your backpack gets a puncture or a tear, the idea of the grid is to keep it trapped in that square so it doesn't extend longer. Basically, the grid is actually made of a durable yarn that will stop the tear. Now, it's not guaranteed to stop the tear completely, but it does a pretty good job at minimizing rips. Tenacious Tape is made by a company called Gear Aid, and basically it's this stuff right here. It comes in a long roll. It's between $10 and $20. It's a really affordable product that, in my opinion, you should just keep in your drawer somewhere where you keep your outdoor repair stuff. Personally speaking, I've never torn a Shimoda backpack. I did apply this piece about 5 years ago. The actual date is March 6, 2020. And since then, and even before, I have never accidentally ripped our textile. With that said, others have, and with anything, when you meet a force that's greater than the backpack's textile or the buckles or a zipper or anything like that, you know, it can potentially break or tear. And that's when the Tenacious Tape comes in handy. So I just wanted to make this video to take a closer look to see how this piece of tape has lasted over the last 5-6 years. If we look at it, you can see the corners are in really good shape, actually. This one corner is starting to peel here, but otherwise, everything else is in really good shape. It comes in an assortment of colors. From my experience, all the colors behave the same, but there is a transparent version. Now, to make it transparent, I think they have to put some kind of polymer inside, which gives it a more plasticky feel, but allows it to be transparent. I'm not 100% sure on that, but because it has the more plastic behavior, let's say, if the material is moving a lot, it stands a chance of peeling easier. In fact, I had a clear piece on this bag and it peeled within the first year. So I just wanted to make this quick video and give you a little 5 to 6 year update on our Tenacious Tape experiment and just let you know that it's still going strong. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.